So this happened back when I was playing football. I joined a new team and I was hit by like a really bad form. I was playing badly and I knew I could play better, so this was kind of frustrating. But the main thing is that while this was going on, there was a huge issue that was also affecting my performances and my everyday life. And that was that I was just feeling really extremely tired and exhausted all of the time. Especially when it came time to play. When it came time to go to football sessions, my eyes were closing. I was about to fall asleep. I was barely handling myself. And that was going on through the entire day. I was really tired and I couldn't figure out why I was tired. I was researching. I was desperate. I had this feeling of losing control because I didn't know what to do. I was losing my mind because I was so tired, and it was really painful mentally, especially when I really cared about football and I just couldn't play well because of being too tired. You might relate to this, and if you do, I hope this video can help you, because I know how bad it can be when you're exhausted all of the time and you don't know the reason. So in this video I'm gonna give you 4 reasons why you are so tired all of the time, and make sure you stay till the 4th reason, because the 4th reason is gonna be something that you may have not heard of already, and that might really be the thing that's making you tired. It's really important. So to get into it, the first reason is kind of obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people don't do this, how many people are lacking with this, even though they know how important it is, and it is sleep. If you're not sleeping well and you're complaining to me how you're too tired all of the time, you need to stop that. You need to fix your sleep before you do anything else. Take time after this video to research sleep and to try to fix it tonight. I can't stretch enough how important sleep is. You need 8 hours of sleep every night, and you need to keep in mind that it's not 8 hours in bed. It's 8 hours of sleep. So what's the difference? If you go to sleep at 12 and wake up at 8, you didn't get 8 hours of sleep, you were just in bed for 8 hours. But there's this thing called sleep efficiency, which is you're not in deep sleep all of the time while you're in bed. Some parts of the night you're in like a light sleep, and that doesn't count the same. So if you were in bed for 8 hours, you probably got more like 6 hours of sleep. So you should be in bed for 10 hours to get 8 hours of sleep, depending on your sleep efficiency, but most people have an 80%. The second reason why you might be tired is because of your diet. If you're eating horrible, if you're eating fast food and bad food, or maybe if you're not eating enough, that can make you exhausted. Food is like fuel for you. You need food to have energy, and you need good food for that. You need to be eating enough healthy fat, and you need to be eating complex carbs to get energy, alongside with the whole diet that you need to have. If you're not eating enough, or if you're eating bad foods, that can leave you exhausted with a fatigue, that can leave you tired all of the time. So that might be the reason why you're tired. Try fixing your diet, try researching it a little bit. Third reason might be that you're not getting enough sunlight. So this is like a magic circle. You're not going outside because you're too tired for that, but you're too tired because you're not going outside. You need to be getting sun, and you need to be getting vitamin D. You need to be moving your body, you need to be walking. If you're laying in your bed, in your room the whole time, not getting enough sun, not getting enough movement, that can make you tired. So instead of laying down when you're tired, try going for a walk. And now we came to the 4th reason. When I was really tired back then, when I was playing football, I was actually sleeping decently. I was eating well, I was getting enough sun, but there was something that I didn't have, and that was good mental health. This is something that you may have not heard already. When you have bad mental health, when you have anxiety, when you have mental problems like this, that can make you physically exhausted. That can make your body tired. Like, your mental problems can make your body exhausted. So if you're experiencing problems like this, it might be due to your mental health. So how do you fix your mental health? You do it by doing the good habits and stopping the bad habits. To fix your mental health, you need to start self-improvement. To get education and motivation for self-improvement, you can check out my channel or any good self-improvement channel that you can find. You just need to get this information and start self-improvement, because that's gonna do amazing things for your mental health and for all of the problems you have, like being tired all of the time. That's all I had to say in this video. If you want to check out my channel to start self-improvement, you can go down and subscribe. I hope you got what you wanted from this video. I hope it helped you. I wish you luck on your self-improvement journey, and that's it. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.